Okay, my people, since VDM back this in Chieftaincy title, he just they get visitors so they come to celebrate with him. Earlier today, Isaac Fayoshe came to celebrate with him, and just this evening, Verydarkman's lawyer Deji Adeyanju also come bearing gifts as he give Verydarkman money as they celebrated his new Chieftaincy title. Okay, guys, this one is massive. Verydarkman na a chieftaincy holder. He is now the Oteyese one of Iwo land of Nigeria. Na Nigeria been Iwo of Nigeria. Now a new title be that. And Mr. Deji Adeyanju was present as he came to visit Verydarkman as they celebrated his new title. You have to see them dancing as they celebrated together.
Chief, okay, Chief na chief. Chief na chief. My money. God, Chief, my money. Bring Gola. Chief, want thief my money. Bring Gola. Gola. Hey! Who? Chief. Yeah. God save me for Chief. I say Chief. You should not say one of the federation. God save me.
Okay, guys, Davido is in Lagos as he attends Ube Franklin's son's birthday. Okay, guys, it's a nice one. Davido is always there for his friends and also Choma's manager and the rest of them. Davido was live at Ube Franklin's his son's 10th years birthday. And not just Davido, the likes of Vintage Interiors was also there, in Yanya and the rest of them. It was a fun-filled one. I will share with you how the whole thing went down.
Adults drop their children with the adults drop, so you put them, take care of them, then you just come. Smile now. See. It's like this. You guys join me. Like this.